A very good evening and Jai Hind to each one of you. Today we are here to discuss exercise 7.1. Now let's see what is there in exercise 7.1. So first of all, we are going to begin the question number 1 from exercise 7.1. It says that you have to find out the complement of each of the following. Now we have already studied in our previous concept that what is complement actually. So I will not go much more in detail. If you want to see that, you can do it from the previous concepts. Now it is telling you have to find out the complement. Now remember, whatever the measurement is given, let's say I'm talking about question number A, it is written here 20 degree. So if you have to find out the complement of 20 degree, what will you write? Just simply write it down. Complement of 20 degree will be equals to 90 degree minus 20 degree. Okay, always remember the angle which gives you the sum 90. So if one angle is missing, just simply do it subtraction from 90. Okay, you will get down the complement of that particular angle. And the same question number 2, which is asking find out the supplement of it. So the same process will be only there. Only just you need to do is it is asking for supplement here. And supplement, suppose it is asking 105 degree. Okay, and it is asking find out the supplement of 105. So what will you do? Just the same thing. Supplement of 105 degree will be 180 minus 105. Why we are doing so? Because 180 will give you the sum for supplementary angle. So that is why we are subtracting from 180 degree. So this is question number 1 and 2. For complement, you have to find out from 90 degree. For supplement, you have to subtract from 180 degree. Now question number 3 from this exercise only, it is telling identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. It's a very simple question again. You can see in question number 3 there are many pairs which are given in the form of angles. So what you need to do is just add both the angles which is given in the form of pair. If the sum of pairs comes 90, that means they are complementary angle. If sum of the pair comes 180 degree, they are supplementary angle. And suppose it is not giving you 90, it is not giving you even 180 degree. That means the angles are not complementary, not supplementary. Okay, so you have to what you have to do is just I will take one example from this question number 3. Suppose so question number 3, let's say we take question number first. It is telling 65 degree and 115 degree. So what will you do? You just add both. So you will add both 65 plus 115. It will give 115 and this will have 120. 120 and 60 will give you 180. Now when you are adding this pair, you are getting 180 degree. That means this pair is supplementary. This is finished. Okay, this is a very simple question from question number 3. Now question number 4, if you have heard my, just you have seen my previous classes, you have understood that I have taken this question, I think twice or thrice. It is telling find the angle which is equal to its supplement, ऐसा complement, sorry. ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जो खुद के कॉम्प्लीमेंट के इक्वल है. सो अगर आपको याद होगा हम लोगों ने इसको डिस्कस भी किया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 45. 45 में जब आप 45 को ही ऐड करते हो यू गेट 90 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स सेम एंगल added to same angle will give you here 90 degree. It means the angle which is complement of itself. Okay, and same in question number 5 it is asking the angle which is supplement of itself. matlab angle added to the same angle will give you here 180 degree. That means 90 when you will add it, you will get it 180 degree. So remember always, an angle which is complement of itself is 45 and an angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degree. Okay, so this is done now. Now let's discuss question number 6. I hope you have understood the previous questions right now, whatever is discussed by me. Question number 6 is telling here, in the given figure. Now let's say we draw the figure here. This is the also the pattern which we have already discussed earlier. There are two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. It is telling that there are angle 1 and angle 2 which are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles mean दोनों को मिलाकर they will give you the sum 180 degree. So now it is telling here that if angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles will remain supplementary. It means आपको ये बोल रहा है कि the condition is कि दोनों के दोनों का sum 180 ही रहना है. It is fixed. So अगर आपके पास angle 1 को हम decrease कर दें, angle 1 को अगर हम अभी यहाँ पर क्या है, ये obtuse है, ये acute है. So अगर हम इसको कम कर दें तो what will be the change in angle 2? So remember beta, if angle number 1 will decrease, remember angle number 2 will increase. To make it balance, okay, to make it balanced, okay, and the same thing, if angle 1 will increase, angle 2 will decrease. इस क्वेश्चन को अनदर फॉर्म में भी लिया जा सकता है. कैसे अनदर फॉर्म में? सपोज इट कम्स एंगल 1 is obtuse, what will be angle 2? It will be acute. If angle 2 is acute, what will be angle 1? It will be obtuse. So अगर एक acute है तो दूसरा obtuse होगा, अगर एक obtuse है दूसरा वाला automatic acute हो जाएगा. ठीक है, to make the balance of 180 degree. And if one angle is right, angle 1 is right, then another will also be a right angle. So this is also the pattern which we have done it. Now let's discuss question number 7. Now remember beta, question number 7 is telling here, this is also discussed by me in my previous classes. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? Now let's discuss one by one all the condition. It is telling अगर दोनों ही conditions acute की हो, so क्या दोनों angle मिला के supplementary होंगे? Now let's say the example. Acute means less than 90. So just I am taking the example as 80 degree. Okay. Now another should also be acute. दूसरा भी acute ही होना चाहिए. So let's say I am taking another angle that is 70. आप इन 70 और 80 की जगह पे कुछ भी ले सकते हो, but it should be less than 90. Okay. Now you are knowing if you take 80 and 70, you will get the same sum 150. Even if you take 89, then or another you take also 89, then also the sum will be less than 180. It means acute angles are not possible to form supplementary angle. दोनों ही angle अगर acute होंगे, so there is no chances to get the supplementary angle. Now it is asking second form. Can both the angle be obtuse? Let's say the example here, for example, the example is 100 and another angle also I am taking it 120 because obtuse means greater than 90. So एक अगर 100 है और दूसरा 120, आप add करो, you will get it 220. Let's say 95 and another angle I am taking, suppose normal angle 91 only. Then to the sum will be 186. Means आप कोई भी pair ले लो obtuse का, because it will be some more than 90 plus, है ना, it will be 90 plus होगा वो, और 90 plus होगा तो अगर आप 91 भी लेते हो ना बेटा, तो 91 मिलाकर 182 हो गया. ठीक है, that means it is crossing 180. So that means obtuse is also not possible. Now asking third condition, क्या दोनों एंगल right angle हो सकते हैं? Now let's try. Now you are knowing right angle means 90. Another right angle is also 90 only. So 90 and 90 will give you the sum 180. Fixed, because 90 and 90 are fixed. Right angle means 90 degree. So 90 and 90 are fixed. So remember, so two right angles can give you 180. This is fixed. So remember, out of these three conditions, only question number third condition is only right. Okay. Now let's discuss question number 8 right now. Question number 8 we will discuss now. Question number 8 is telling here, an angle is greater than 45. मतलब एक एंगल जो है 45 से ग्रेटर है. ठीक है, is its complementary angle will be greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45. Just a general knowledge question. For example, it is telling 45 से बड़ा है. So अगर हम इसका example suppose ले लेते हैं 48. Just example I took it. You can take it any other angle, but it should be more than 45. So अगर ये 45 आपने ले लिया, so it is asking what will be the complement of 48. So 90 minus 48 means it will give you here 42. Now always remember, if because 90 complementary angle give you the sum 90, it means both the angle should give you the sum 90. So बेटा जाहिर सी बात है, अगर एक 45 से बड़ा हो जाएगा तो दूसरा वाला 45 से छोटा करना पड़ेगा for make the balance. ठीक है, for making the balance. सेम थिंग अगर एक को आप छोटा लेते हो तो b जो है वो 45 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. So this should be keep in your mind that if you take one obtuse, another, so if you take one more than 45, another will be less than 45. If you take one less than 45, another will be more than 45. So this you should take care, and you can also include example while doing this question. Okay, so remember, if one angle will be more than 45, another will be less than 45. This is the example of it. Okay, this is question number 8 now. Now let's discuss question number 9, 10, 11, 12 in our next video. Okay, we'll discuss in our next video or in our next class. Remember, after question number 8, 9 से लेकर 14 तक all are important questions. ठीक है, all are important questions. So please keep in your mind till 8 you complete today, and in our next class we will surely discuss from question number 9. Thank you.